In this presentation, we will look at screencasts and videos in digitally rich learning environments. With the objectives, at the end of this presentation, we'll be able to define the term screencast, know how screencasts can increase learning achievement, describe the importance of screencasts in digital learning, apply screencasts to the appropriate learning environment, examine when screencasts should be used in teaching and learning, critique how screencasts can influence learning, and investigate limitations, obstacles, and requirements of screencasts in the Caribbean. Screencasts and videos have been used for many years in education and used more so during the pandemic in many countries around the world. It is an instructional presentation tool, for example, Screencast-O-Matic, and applies to the varying learning styles of students. It leads to student-centered learning and improves overall academic performance. It also allows educators to be versatile with their teaching and presentation skills. These tools should be widely used by Caribbean educators for the 21st century learner. The term screencast was created by John Udell in 2005, as quoted by Coppell 2010. It is a digital movie in which the setting is partly or wholly a computer screen and in which audio narration describes the on-screen action. It must be noted that a good example of a screencast is what is currently being used to present this tutorial. An example of a screencast is Screencast-O-Matic, whereby you have an option between a free screen recorder or one that is paid. With the free screen recorder, all you have to do is click Launch Free Recorder and it downloads to your device. However, with the free screen recorder, you are only allowed 15 minutes, but with the paid one, you're allowed for even a longer period of time without the image being written across your screen. However, this is an extremely useful tool. After downloading this tool, you will see an image like this appearing. It lets you know that recording can be done. It records your voice, and if you have paid for it, it allows you to use the webcam or both, and also computer audio. Computer audio, however, is not available for the free screencast recorder. You can choose to either save to your device, share on YouTube, OneDrive, or Google Drive on your device. As an instructional tool, Screencast makes learning more engaging than audio only, as stated by Vimeo 2017. It also allows student-paced learning, whereby students are able to learn at their own pace or own rate the material. The materials can also be used anytime and anywhere once Wi-Fi is available. It also allows the increase in student engagement and study retention, according to Waitman 2013. Screencasts and videos allow personalized information, for example, one-to-one feedback, whether that is audio or visual. Screencasts are important, especially in digital learning, as it stimulates all learning styles. It must also be mentioned it's especially useful to students who are blind, deaf, or hard of hearing, as they're able to either listen or read the information that is present. Screencasts also reinforce concepts taught in classes, for example, how to calculate percentages or fractions. It also demonstrates or allows tailor-made lessons or resources and demonstrates practical skills, according to Morris and Chikwa 2014. Screencasts allow students to communicate ideas and techniques for a topic as well as educators. It reduces repetitive answering and provides personalized feedback for individuals or for group assignments. Screencasts are appropriate in education and is best suited for asynchronous learning environments. It is also best used in an online or blended learning environment, although in many instances, teachers have been using it in the physical learning environment. Screencasts can be stored or downloaded onto any device and used anytime and anywhere. It is also appropriate and useful in a flipped classroom learning environment, as students can research the information and gaining that knowledge on returning to the physical environment or the online environment, be able to communicate what they have learned either through online discussion or physical discussion or through demonstrations or practicals. Screencasts can be applied to various areas within the learning environment. For example, tutorials, recorded presentations, instructional videos, corrections or feedback to assignments, individual or group assignments along with feedback, as well as for rubrics. A demonstration of a screencast in action is the use of a bibliography to teach CXC-CSEC students in geography how to correctly cite a book. An example is the authors are London and Senior. These names should not be at the end. Take these names and place them to the front, in front of the book that is present here. On seeing this, you're able to move around your information. Always remember that should have the name of the authors, the name of the book, the name of the publisher, the country in which it was published, and the year 1996. Another demonstration can also be of the entire screen that you're using. For example, this is a YouTube video that I had created for a class. I can therefore highlight the entire area, pause the video, and then highlight the areas that I find interesting that the students would require. There's a great influence of screencasts on learning, especially in a digital environment, and it influences individuals to be more self-directed and carry out regulated learning, according to Morris and Chikawa 2014. It encourages students to own their learning, especially in higher education where it is critical. It may also be used in collaboration and community learning, as well as individual learning. The influence of screencasts is especially important as well in the physical classroom, whereby students are able to see what is being demonstrated and apply that knowledge to what is to be done. With screencasts, there are limitation, obstacles, or requirements for its use within the Caribbean. With limitations, you will find that the free edition of screencast tools are usually very limited. To expect to use more of the tool, you will have to pay a price. It is not easily searchable. Therefore, you cannot go into Screencast-O-Matic or Screencastify and type in a search for a video. You need Wi-Fi. If Wi-Fi is not available, then you'll be unable to use the screencast for educational purposes. Obstacles also stand in the way for screencasts, as not all students are visual learners. And some students do not view screencasts as a tool for learning, but rather for entertainment. It is also not interactive. Therefore, some students find it not relevant for their learning as they cannot have that synchronous interaction with the material. With no real face-to-face time, there's a great possibility that students start to feel isolated, especially in the online learning environment. And this then will reduce the level of learning within that environment. However, even though there are some negatives with screencast use, there are requirements for it to be used effectively within the Caribbean. You require Wi-Fi, access to a technological device, teacher training, which is especially important as teachers must be professionally trained to use this effective tool, or students would not view this tool as one for learning. It will also train the teacher to reduce the chances of students feeling isolated in the online and blended learning environment. It also allows students who do not see the screen as an instructional tool, but as an add-on to notes. In terms of this, as teachers are trained to use this tool effectively and efficiently to give out or disseminate information, then students will find it very useful. Teaching or teachers' usefulness to students in online environment. It is impactful and important that students are able to navigate the technological waters, especially at higher education. Therefore, teachers must be trained and also trained to see that screencasts have a usefulness to students in the online learning environment. In conclusion, John Erdell used the term screencast all back in 2005, and screencasts and videos are instructional tools used for increased learner achievement, creating lessons, and providing effective feedback. It is most suitable for asynchronous learning, that is, the flipped classroom and self-directed learning. Screencasts and videos can be applied in educational areas such as in tutorials and rubrics. Examples of screencasting tools are Screencast-O-Matic and Screencastify. There are limitations and obstacles, such as not having Wi-Fi or not being interactive to allow students to have a real-time experience with each other or with the tutor. It is a great requirement for Caribbean educators to be trained and provided with the necessary technological tools to ensure that our 21st century learners are equipped for this technological world. Thank you.